Cryptocurrencies have been facing a turbulent time the past few months, and do you know what is witness for its crashing? The luxury watch market. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the reason behind the crypto crash and its effects. But before we start, please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any future videos. Luxury watches on the secondary market from brands Rolex and Patek Philippe, which sold for record high prices earlier this year, have fallen, Bloomberg reports. It's the first luxury sector to feel the effects of crypto's collapse, but it's unlikely to be the last. Why the soaring demand in the first place? In addition to crypto and stock market gains, stimulus cash bolstered the second-hand timepiece market, one segment of the larger luxury goods market, which includes handbags, designer sneakers, and fine jewelry, among other high-cost items. Rampant inflation and the war in Ukraine contributed to their appeal, as buyers sought tangible stores of value. Additionally, some younger buyers entered the market for the first time, including Gen Zers, drawn in part by watchmakers' responsiveness to their interest in ethical consumerism. As a luxury brand, we are now able to gather people at cleanup events. Rolf Studer, the co-chief executive of Swiss watch brand Oris, told the New York Times, 10 years ago, everybody would have said, "That's crazy. People want a glass of champagne. Now they go to the beach to collect trash." Owners of Rolex and Patek Philippe timepieces in particular saw major benefits from the boom. At one point, the three most popular models, the Rolex Daytona, the Patek Philippe Nautilus, and the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, were fetching their retail prices many times over. Per Bob's watches, the Rolex Daytona, which debuted in 1963 and was made popular by acting and racing enthusiast Paul Newman, retails for a minimum of $14,550 today. Newman's own Daytona was recently auctioned off for $17.8 million. Now, higher interest rates, continuing inflation, and the absence of some Chinese and Russian buyers due to lockdowns and the ongoing war in Ukraine have brought that demand back down, dropping prices by an estimated 25%. While handbags and other luxury goods have yet to see a similar decline, a fall isn't off the table, as demand for them was fueled by the same factors driving the watch market. Why is cryptocurrency crashing? Record high inflation, fear, rising interest rates, and a loss of confidence in crypto investments are all contributing to the crypto crash. Analysts say most of the factors are macro, which means they relate to the economy as a whole rather than any flaws in the crypto market. We have extreme fear in the markets right now. The market has priced in several rate hikes, plus they've started to price in a severe recession. We're in complete risk-off mode for all assets, just in the same way we were in risk-on mode. Bill Barhit, chief executive at crypto financial service provider Abra, told MarketWatch.com in an interview recently. However, some factors are exclusive to crypto investments, experts say. Crypto lending platform Celsius Networks LLC recently paused all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts due to extreme market conditions. This created more fear amongst investors specific to crypto. The New York Times recently reported on 40-year-old investor Jacob Willett, a delivery driver who put his entire life savings in an account with Celsius, where the platform froze more than $8 billion in assets. According to the Times, Willett received no reassurance that his money was safe. Coinbase took a loss in Q1 2022. The popular trading and tracking platform, Coinbase, took a $430 million loss in the first quarter of 2022, and the company's stock dropped 81%. The company announced plans to lay off one-fifth of its staff, CBSNews.com reported. However, Coinbase has survived other crypto winters, and many analysts aren't concerned about its future. The winter would have to get progressively worse for Coinbase to be in any real danger, John Todaro, a crypto asset researcher for Needham & Co., told CBSNews.com. The crypto crash isn't exclusive to just crypto. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, a key stock index, entered a bear market in mid-June 2022. In the first week of July, the S&P 500 officially entered a bear market. The crypto crash is being felt across the industry beyond the losses investors are experiencing. Before examining the future of crypto investments, here's more about what caused the latest crash and exactly how bad it is. In early July 2022, Bitcoin sat at 68.33% below its all-time high of $68,789 and
being envisaged, the prices of similar luxury goods like designer handbags, sneakers, and other wares
63 cents, according to Coinbase.com figures. The bear market refers to investments reaching 20% below their peak for an extended period, so Bitcoin is definitely in a bear market. Altcoins, including Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, tend to follow the path of Bitcoin, so we can look at Bitcoin as an indicator of the overall market.
watch. And what ends up occurring in a down market or in a collapse market is that the watch index.
Bitcoin rose by more than 15% in the first week of July 2022, and crypto bulls are holding tight. Experts believe prices may remain stable around the $20,000 mark for at least 6 months, according to Cointelegraph.com. Another bearish run, they say, could put Bitcoin between $14,000 and $16,000.
And all these dealers are still thinking that China's going to open. China's still in lock.
Ethereum likewise rose nearly 5% between July 6 and July 7, but has now recovered from losses of the year and remains well below its all-time high of $4,800 in late 2019. Will crypto survive a crash? While the stock market has a lengthy history of ups and downs, with stock exchanges first starting up in the US in the late 17th.
Certain coveted watch models became a speculative asset. I'm talking about your
1990s, according to the Library of Congress. Crypto does not have such a past to draw from. Knowing that the stock market has experienced multiple bears and bull phases over the centuries gives investors peace of mind. However, it's heartening to know that cryptocurrency has survived multiple crashes in short history. GoBankingRates.com documented at least 7 substantial Bitcoin crashes and recoveries, dating back to 2011 when Bitcoin lost 99% of its value. The phrase crypto winter stemmed from these crashes. As TheGuardian.com points out, winter comes before spring, and investors may just have to sit this one out and wait for the market to thaw, so to speak.
Significant decline in value from the high $237,700 for which they traded earlier in the year.
However, this most recent crash, coupled with an impending recession, could make many investors hesitant to put their money into crypto.
Analysts at Jefferies have estimated that crypto wealth accounted for around 25 to 30.
Meanwhile, several Wall Street investors are shorting. It could be worth hanging on, however, being Crypto.com wrote in history, 100% of the people who have bought and waited 4 years or more have seen their investment grow. According to the report, the recent uncertainty surrounding cryptocurrency has seen more owners unload their high-end timepieces, with supplies for the Rolex Daytona and Patek Philippe Nautilus 5711 and now much larger. In a statement,
Tells us that you have a consolidation of market no different than stocks, and at some point you're going to start seeing again normal rise.
Provided to the publication, online watch trading platform Chrono24 revealed that dwindling crypto values have directly impacted pricing of luxury watches from brands like Rolex and Patek Philippe. While the latest news may be a knock for crypto fans, the tide is rising for watch lovers. Increased availability would certainly drive prices down and remove the barrier to entry for the luxury watch game, making it slightly easier to secure that grail piece. And we are now at the end of the video. Hope it was informative for you guys. If you enjoyed the video and want to be the first to watch our new upcoming videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.